Cat Around Europe. The second cat game. This music takes me back to 2016 when I played this game in school. Let's do this crap. Of course, he wants to go eat the best pizza in Europe. It's on sale. Alright, Italy, Rome, Colosseum. And we have pizza for Italy, because what else will they have? And this game, it's a puzzle game. I'm guessing if I do this quick enough, I can get records. Like they did the last time. Oh, I didn't. That is quick. Reach a record in 4 level. Shit. Let's see if this works. There we go. Records in all of those. Oh shit, I didn't even look at this one. Alright, we have Germany, Braubach, and Marksburg. And they have a sausage. There we go. There we go, reach record in 8 level. Aw, frick. Alright. The Netherlands, Kinderziek windmills. And they got cheese. That's nice. Alright, Stargazer. Nice. We got an achievement. That's cool. There we go. Trying to get improved results in all of these. Oh, shoot. I didn't want to do that. Son of a... Oh, this thing does not want to touch us very well. Or I guess it does, I just didn't know. Alright, Great Britain, London, Tower Bridge. They got salami. There we go. Oh shoot! Okay, I did not mean to do that. So, I guess we're getting a perfect score. You gotta do this quick. And then, boom. There we go, we got it. Of course, the record's 5,760. There we go. Greece, Athens, Acropolis of Athens. We got... What is this? That looks like chicken. I'm not actually sure what that is. That's an onion. I'm not actually sure what this thing is. Shoot! Frick. Alright, I got you. There we go. Of course, record's way faster than I, can ever imagine. You gotta press it like the frame it frickin' goes. Oh, you gotta get every star as well. Forgot. Oh my... Do I gotta move my mic to the side? I can't even click fast enough. I tried. I don't even care. Oh my god. How did that even happen? Oh, I can lift it with this. It like barely misses. I think it's supposed to go on the freaking thing as well, but it doesn't. I guess that'll work. And last but not least, we got Spain, Valencia, Town of Serranos. And they have crab, just like Easter Island. Oh, thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. By 5 points, whatever. Oh, what am I doing? How do I get this star over here? I have no idea if you're supposed to do it this way. There we go. Oh, I gotta do this, I remember now. Oh, there we go. Shit. There we... I'm an idiot. How do you do this? I'm not getting enough distance, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait. I destroyed this and I keep this. There we go. We did it. Who would have thought? Can you believe it? What are we missing? Generous, records, and terrific. I'll just spoil food 10 times, why not? Huh, well, we'll kind of easily do that. There we go. Snoring 2, Wild West. Let's do this crap. Alright. So in this game, you gotta wake up the elephant. You already know this. And I'll admit, this game is definitely more better as well. Way... How do I even say that? I think it's higher quality than the first game. The first game was kind of slow-paced. And, you know, it's more variety. Like, it's a Wild West thing. A lot of costumes or stars. I like this. Click the cow. Needs to stop him. He's in the penguin. And bump the giraffes. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go. I think I remember most of these levels. I have not played the original version in a long time. I think I remember playing something was like the freaking like dumbed down version that has like this this one pirate like laid out, or UI, whatever you call it. There we go, and he falls down way quicker. Sleeping or awakened? Oh, the pig goes down faster too. Or maybe that's just what the game's doing. The physics in this are way better. Alright. Open bonus level movie? Oh, look, it's a callback to the first Snoring game. Yeah, this isn't in like this isn't in the freaking HTML version. There we go. Alright, level 9. Oh, I guess stopping him near the end is gonna completely stall him. That elephant is gonna die a painful death so many times. Also, the original game has fairly fun. Well, I think these new ones have like 24. Oh, what do I even do with this? Was I supposed to do this? Alright. Now I have to wait. Oh, I got 2 stars for that crap. Screw you, then. Come on, that's gotta be enough. There we go. The scoreboard counts down the moment the level begins. We gotta do this fast. Oh, that doesn't even. Is that even gonna hit the penguin? That doesn't even look like it's going to hit. It like barely misses it. Unless it's like very precise, then that might be the issue. Oh, there you go. That did not work. Ah, frick. Oh, this level always broke me, I'm pretty sure. So on HTML, I'm pretty sure that cow would just never get enough distance to, like, fully go up the hill. You never walk through for the first game? Oh, there you go. Finally. Okay. I'm supposed to launch him? I think he needs to get a boost up, I think, to do this. Oh, there we go. Oh. Why did I even bother? Bro. I'm gonna lose all my points. I got 218 points and no stars. I'm trying this again, dude. Come on, do better than that. There we go. Bonus level pirates. Oh, of course. Poor guy. I hate that weird. I don't even hate it. It's just like, why does it make that? Because of that freaking. That's not gonna do it. Oh, 800, nice. What we got going on here? I thought I was gonna save him. Uh-oh. The cow cannot be underestimated. Force! Just give me, you know, that much. I only got one cow on this. Oh, I gotta bounce the owl on this again. That was like different gravity in this. Oh, I gotta time this. Okay, I see what you gotta do now. Oh, that's amazing. I thought the owl was like better gravity in this, because the owl was known for being so original. Gives the pig better distance. There we go. Alright, 24. Oh, I gotta hit him. Oh, it's a frickin' balcony. How do you do this? How the hell do I actually do this? Is there a walkthrough I can watch? Oh wait, I was looking at the video, like what if I do this? I flip him over, and I do this. There we go. Wow. Last stand. Eating fruit while I play this. We did it. There we go.